Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 2.6, They. As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Listen. Teacher. Driver. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beat. They are teachers. What are they? They are teachers. Are they teachers? Yes, they are. Are they teachers? No, they are not. They are drivers. What are they? They are drivers. Are they drivers? Yes, they are. Are they drivers? No, they are not. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the picture, finish the sentences. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. What are they? They are drivers. What are they? They are teachers. Are they drivers? Yes, they are. Are they teachers? No, they are not. Now it's your turn to speak again. Look at the pictures, say the answer. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. They are teachers. They are drivers. What are they? They are teachers. What are they? They are drivers. Are they teachers? Yes, they are. Are they drivers? No, they are not. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.